The danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads, by a lot.
Artificial intelligence is coming for your job, even faster than you think. Are you ready, or will you be left behind? Watch till the end to find out. Artificial intelligence is evolving at a speed never seen before. It's learning, adapting, and even outsmarting humans in some areas. But is this a revolution or a warning sign? AI can now create realistic videos, write books, and even replace customer service jobs. Major tech companies are investing billions into AI research. But as it grows smarter, people are asking, where does it stop? Experts like Elon Musk and Sam Altman warn that AI could become too powerful to control. Some AIs can already write code, mimic voices, and predict human behavior. If this continues, will we still be in charge? So what happens next? Will artificial intelligence help humanity progress? Or are we creating something we won't be able to stop? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.